everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Sanrio Gacha Machine in Heartopia. So, Heartopia has launched a brand new Sanrio collaborations event, and in here you can claim awesome free rewards by using these special Gacha Machines. And in here, first you just need to head over to the Amethyst Page, this one, this area, just go to this area, and then after that and then in here, you will find the three different Sanrio Gacha machines over here. It's with its own unique designs on here. And the best part is that its machine can be used once per day, so you can do 3 free gacha every day by using all 3 machines. And then to use it, first just simply walk up to the one of the machine, like this. And then next just tap on this icon, this gacha icon, this one, just tap on it. And just like that, you will instantly receive a random reward like this. In here I got this Traveling My Melody sticker. I think it's so cute. And so in here you can get cute sticker or cool or even adorable Sanrio theme furniture. And okay, that's it. So don't forget to visit all 3 gacha machines every day so you won't miss out this free rewards. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!